up, Isra, and welcome back to another video on my channel. Happy Vlogmas Day 4! So I was making Christmas bells and I thought why not show you guys too. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make jingle bells because and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also share this video with all of your friends and maybe family too. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you go hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to not miss a single video. And also comment down your suggestions for my upcoming Vlogmas videos. And now if you're ready, let's get started. I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, do give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, make sure you go hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to not miss a single video. And also share this video with your friends and family, and also comment down your suggestions for my upcoming Vlogmas videos. I'll see you guys soon tomorrow. Bye!